Hueva, the retired comedian right here, and welcome to another one. Today we're going to talk about different brokerage accounts. And the reason I want to talk to you about this is because this is a crucial step for you to become retired. You need to open a brokerage account. So a brokerage account is basically a taxable account that you can invest into different assets, whether it's different funds, different ETFs, different REITs, different stocks, different types of things. You can consider crypto, but right now we're not going to talk about that. We're just going to talk about brokerage accounts in particular. And mainly just so you're aware, there's tons of different brokerage accounts. Like there's not, the ones that I'm recommending here is because I personally use them, but there's tons of other ones that you should research. So don't just get my word for it. Go and look at other things, go look at other YouTube videos by other people. Always, you want, when you're looking at things like this, you want to absorb as much information as possible so you can make the best judgment and the best decision for you. So anyway, let's start with the different brokerage accounts that I personally recommend. And at the top of my list, I have M1 Finance. The reason I absolutely love this particular account, there's so many reasons why, but the number one reason that I want to share with you is because it really encourages long-term investing, and it also actually makes things easier for you to comprehend what's going on within your particular portfolio. It breaks the different stocks in a different basket that you allocate different percentages to it. So let's say you have a particular ETF or a particular stock that you want to put into that basket. You can allocate 100%, 80%, 20%, 2%, 3%. However you want to break that down is very easy. So that way, when you go and deposit an actual dollar, it reallocates the funds of that dollar into the different things you have in your basket. That's the reason I really love M1 Finance, because it mainly encourages long-term investing and it makes it so freaking easy. And if you're a person that wants to be trading stocks and doing short-term type of gains and stuff like that, this is definitely not a recommendation. This is definitely more for people that are looking into the long-term gain like myself. Anywho, the number 2 one that I'm going to recommend is Fidelity Investments. And by the way, going back to M1, if you want to start an account, if you think that's cool, I do have a link below that I believe it will give you $10 if you start your account using my link, but you don't have to, just if you want to. Then Fidelity Investment. So Fidelity Investment is a little bit more old school. They're way more established. They have more years in the game, and they're very safe. It's boring, their interface, unfortunately, but if you're very old school, if you like things to be very straightforward and not necessarily as interactive as M1, but just very straightforward, boring, to the point, and you want to be in and out on certain stocks at different times, definitely Fidelity Investments is a great way to go. Right now, at this moment, and I don't believe ever, Fidelity has any incentives for signing up, so you can go directly to Fidelity and sign up with them if you would like to. So the next one will be Robinhood, and that one is the one that most people know. I will assume that if you are watching me right now, you probably know what Robinhood is, but still I'm going to explain. Robinhood, I call it the casino of the brokerage accounts, because over there it's very emotional. When things are great, things are green. When things are bad, things are red. And it causes, just watching those colors and watching the up and down, it causes your emotions to be more volatile. It's definitely a place that I will recommend for people that want to go in and out on stocks, or they don't know where to start and things like that. Robinhood is a great place to start, and also is a great way for you to actually set the line of how emotional are you going to get in this game. I think personally, honestly, I've been in Robinhood for about, I don't know, maybe 3-4 years, something like that. And it was the first account, I believe, that I've ever made. Actually, the majority of my funds were there until I moved an incredible majority to M1, and yeah, and it really prepared me. And now I'm way more calm with my investments and my things because I got the hold on it. But definitely Robinhood helped me like really manage my emotions and not be fearful when people are fearful, and not be greedy when others are greedy. You know, simply control myself, trust my gut and my instincts, and really go for it when I have to. So definitely Robinhood is a great place if you are looking into long-term, short-term investments. There's even cryptocurrencies, but only to certain people. I don't believe it's accessible to everybody. You can do some option trading as well, so you can trade contracts and different. That's a little bit more advanced. But Robinhood is really, really good. Decent place to start. I wouldn't personally stay there for the rest of my life, but hey, you're not me. You could do your decisions and whatever you want to do. And the next one, and this one has an incredible mention because I just got in this one. And this one in particular is called Cash App. So in this one, they now added the feature that you can actually buy crypto, specifically Bitcoin, I believe, and you can get stocks. And it's great. It's great because it's very simple. That's what I love the most about Cash App in particular, is that it's so simple. It doesn't get like Robinhood, that Robinhood could get crazy. Like you might get into a stock and then all of a sudden it drops and you see the red and it makes you panic and stuff. Versus in Cash App, it's very straightforward. Colors don't change. Things, whether they go up or down, you just watch it, but you don't panic so much because everything, the interface is very smooth and clean and the UI is so nice. But yeah, definitely honorable mention Cash App. So yeah, those are my recommendations. Like I said previously at the beginning of the video, basically there's more. There's way more accounts that you can go search. I can name some, but honestly, these are my recommendations. M1 Finance, Fidelity Investments, Robinhood, and Cash App. Right now with M1 Finance, I believe you get $10 with my link below. With Fidelity, you don't get anything, so I don't have a link. You just go straight to Fidelity. With Robinhood, you can get one free stock if you sign up with my link, and it's a brand new account. And with Cash App, I gotta check what actually Cash App offers, but I think it might be like either 10 or 20 bucks worth of free stock or just free money. I don't know, but I'll put a link also below and you can go check it out and all that stuff if you want to use any of my links. Anywho, that's my video for today. What do you guys think? Do you have any of these accounts? Was there a specific brokerage account that I should have mentioned because it offers a lot of great stuff? Let me know. Also, there's way more features to these accounts. I'm just covering completely the basics just so you understand a little bit and get your foot forward when it comes to investing, because I think really it will change your life. Anywho, that's been all for Retired Comedian. I've been the Retired Comedian. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.